In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to the stream on Google Classroom. This process is straightforward and designed to make communication with your students or class members smooth and effective. Whether you're sharing announcements, resources, or simply updating your class, posting to the stream keeps everyone informed and connected. First things first, go ahead and head over to Google Classroom and sign in using your Google account. This initial step is crucial as it ensures you're in the right place and ready to begin. Once logged in, navigate to the class where you'd like to post your announcement. Each class has its own community and space, so choose the class you want to engage with. Now, when you enter the class, you'll typically land on the Stream tab by default. However, if that's not the case, just click on the Stream tab located at the top of your screen. The stream is essentially the hub for all class communication, so it's important to be sure you're in the right section. Next, focus your attention on the top of the stream where you'll notice a prompt that says, "Announce something to your class." Click on this and a text box will expand, ready for you to craft your message. This is where you get to input your announcement. You're not limited to just text, you have options. Below the text box there are icons that allow you to attach various forms of media. You can add links, upload files from your computer, or attach items directly from Google Drive. If you want to include a YouTube video, that's easily done too. Just click the appropriate icon and follow the prompts. Once your message is crafted to your liking, think about your audience. There's a drop down menu beside the For section. This handy tool lets you select exactly who receives your announcement. You might want to send it to the whole class or perhaps only to select students. Make your choice based on who should be in the loop for the content you're about to post. Ready to go live? Simply click post usage and your message will be immediately shared with those you've selected. But what if you want to time your announcement perfectly? No worries, just to the right of the post button you'll see an arrow. Click on it to reveal the schedule option. Here you can choose a specific time and date for your post to be published, which is ideal for planning ahead or coordinating with other class activities. And if you're still not sure about finalizing your post, you have the option to save draft instead. This gives you flexibility, allowing you to come back, make edits and reevaluate before you make it official. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're now fully equipped to keep your class updated and engaged through the stream in Google Classroom.